excited when they said it was in Canada in front of 55,000 people. The card that we already have is crazy. Then they said pay-per-view, and I was like, sign me up. To finish Vladdy that's tough. I mean, he's been finished, 2 or 3 times in his 14-year plus career. So to finish him, I mean, he's gonna have to mess up, and I'm gonna have to catch him.
I know exactly what he's going to do. He's good on the ground. He's trying to take me down. He's trying to close the distance. He's short in reach. And I was trying to keep him away. And if I get in a bad position, get out immediately and or reverse and take him down.
It's like fighting a version of myself. How do I beat myself? Swing for the fences and look for that knockout, I guess.
Stay with my game plan and just show and reflect all what I got in my training to those 15 minutes in the cage.